and welcome to TechQuest, the National Robotics Challenge for Academia powered by Digiplus Foundation.
And to our champions, congratulations. You will carry the Philippine flag to China with the support of Digiplus Foundation and CM Robot. This is a remarkable opportunity to showcase Filipino ingenuity, learn from global peers, and bring home new ideas to strengthen our local robotics community.
Kailangan po natin isipin na hindi lang naman competition yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Yung gantong klaseng opportunity po, competition lang yung simula. It provides our students with necessary skills relating to STEM. It also provides our students with opportunities how to learn to be developers and builders of technology and not just consumers.
This competition that we have is actually not just going to have an impact. What our children will be able to take away from this competition is, again, it's not just the technical skills, it's also the soft skills, and ultimately, being able to imbibe what it takes to be an innovator, both in terms of grit, but also in their capacity and capability.
At Digiplus Foundation, we multiply the goal.